Good morning.
Morning.
We have some super exciting news we wanted to share with you guys. We don't have our new van, so it's not that exciting.
It's not that exciting.
But more on that in a minute. Anyway, check this out. This looks weird, doesn't it? Shooting from the van.
Van life.
So we drove about 40 minutes today. 40
minutes north to St. Augustine.
We're meeting a couple here at a bank and they're interested in buying the van.
Pretty interested. They drove straight through from Missouri yesterday evening.
Yeah, so
that's pretty serious.
I'm excited. I like to get this portion of our project out of the way, and I want this van to be back on the road and being used, and things are starting to open back up, so hopefully we'll be back on the road soon too.
Yeah. In
our new van. So we'll keep you posted on that, and we'll let you know if this goes through or what happens here. There it goes.
Yay, adventure.
Bye. Yeah, we sold Vagabond van number 1. It's official. It couldn't have gone to a nicer couple, and they are so happy with it. They've reached out since they've taken it back home, and they're taking it out on its inaugural trip, and they love it, which makes me so happy.
Yeah, because I think it was a bit strange watching it drive away. It was a lot of mixed emotions. The van's been amazing, and it's taken us on amazing adventures, and the things we've seen it done, we could,
Yeah.
So that just makes us, the fact that someone else is doing the same thing with it, it's reassuring that we did the right thing. And
it ended up, even though there were a few hiccups, almost sales that kind of fell through, I actually think it all happened for a reason, and it ended up with just the right people it was meant to be with. So
I was not happy with them for about 1 minute.
Oh my gosh, yes, to listen to this story is so funny.
Of course we had a couple, almost complete sales, and then it ended for whatever reason. And so this couple from Missouri, they're driving all night straight through to meet us at a bank parking lot to buy the van, and so we were in the van waiting for them to show up, and it's about time for them to get here, and I sent them a quick text, and we just been talking that, what if this is all some big catfishing type, they're just messing with us type thing, because we've had some weird things happen, and pretty rude thing to do to someone. So anyway, I sent a text message, said, hey, we're here, and within a minute I get a text that says we've changed our mind.
That's all it said. We changed our mind. What we had just in the last couple minutes talked about how maybe it's a catfish for some reason.
Oh no. I just text back, what? And then we looked up and we see this car with Missouri plates and this couple inside laughing,
grinning
and
from ear to ear, waving at us.
That was a good one.
We knew right then it was going to be the perfect match.
That was a good one. Yeah.
It was so good.
But it went smooth. It's a done deal, and so
now we wait. We are still waiting for Vagabond van number 2. I am confident it's worth the wait. Super excited about all the pictures George has been sending us. Every detail has been thought of.
He assures it's very close.
Yep, he's just working on the final electrical, push through that, and
this wind isn't too much in there.
I know, yeah, it is kind of breezy. But,
sorry about the wind.
Yeah, so I'm hoping we take possession of that.
Very soon.
Yeah, soon, because we don't know.
Keep saying soon.
So we can't tell you because we don't know. Also, something very exciting that happened the same day that we sold our van. This girl had her 9th birthday. Happy birthday. We had a pool party. There she goes. Yeah, she's not a fan of this rain. She's definitely adjusted to the weather here for sure. So we had a pool party for her.
Of course we did.
People sent her gifts. Our friends Lyle and Diane in Oregon sent her some green beans and some treats. And then our friend Susan Pistol's friend Susan sends her a gift card every year for her birthday. So we get her loaded up with all kinds of goodies and new bones and a new shirt, all kinds of fun stuff. So we partied by the pool, and yeah, it was a good time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pistol. Happy birthday to you. Wow, okay. It's chow time, huh, girl? Number 9, happy birthday. Get your giant burrito.
Get it.
Happy birthday, girl. You're hot. You know what time it is? Pool time.
Come here.
Happy birthday, really fun to think about everything she's seen in her life, all the trails she's hiked, all the mountains she's climbed,
Lakes she's swam in, all the Great Lakes.
all the places she's sniffed, and what's to come, because she's really led quite the life for a dog, right? We've been actually helping Chris and Brian remodel a couple bathrooms. Sorry.
Come on, she knows we play in the bedroom, so she wants me to come. Oh, she's so funny.
So yes, working on remodeling projects. We've been helping them out. It's been a good time. So we'll keep you posted on the van update and some other things that we're doing here. Just want to drop a line. We hope everybody out there is doing great, and yeah, we'll get on the road soon. Carry on.
Carry on.
Pistol, bring it here.